Hi, my name is Jessica Grossman and I've been studying biology at Quinnipiac University. This summer I had the opportunity to intern at the El Verde Field Station through the NSF RU program under advisement of Limery Reyes and Alonzo Ramirez. This is a wonderful program where undergraduate students are exposed to real-world research stations and have the opportunity to learn through hands-on research. Each intern is paired with a mentor and creates their own research project that they will carry out throughout the whole summer. What makes this opportunity unique is that it brings awareness to the field of scientific research. Throughout this experience, we were able to log into seminars that were hosted by other researchers. These seminars explain the research that different scientists were conducting as well as what is currently happening in the environment in Puerto Rico. Many people do not see the environment as something that directly affects their lives. All the time people hear about climate change, the ice caps melting, a hole growing in the ozone, deforestation, species dying out, overshoot days, and so many other environmental issues, but do not do anything about it. These issues may not directly affect you now, but they will in the future or the next generations. During this program, we had the opportunity to learn and we became aware of how some of these issues are impacting Puerto Rico. One example of something I heard a lot during this experience was that the average annual rainfall of Puerto Rico is decreasing, causing long periods of drought followed by flooding and storms. This becomes an issue because it affects the water systems established in Puerto Rico and the biodiversity in the country. Many of the interns studied the effects of climate change. One did hydroponics and how dams that were created to help provide water in times of drought affect the biodiversity in streams. Another student studied the effects of drought in streams and how it affected biodiversity. I chose to study mosquitoes, more specifically the biological control of mosquitoes named Aedes aegypti. Now you might be thinking, what does this have to do with climate change? Aedes aegypti is one of the main vectors for diseases, and they are present in almost every continent. This species transmits many diseases including dengue, chikungunya, yellow fever, and Zika. This is important to climate change because their eggs can lay dormant on the side of containers for 8 months. This means that during a period of rainfall, there will be a spike in number of mosquitoes, therefore a spike in the number of people infected. There are many known facts about this species that the average person does not know. For example, only female mosquitoes have blood meals and she only feeds to support eggs. The goal of this video is to bring awareness to some of the larger issues that are occurring in the world. Even though you may not think they impact you, they will in one way or another. The summers will continue to warm up and there will be more tropical storms. This is like the butterfly effect, a theory that states a small condition that has no large impact can create a larger difference through a series of actions. Using plastic bags may not seem like a big deal, but it could cause the death of a sea animal or block a storm drain that floods somebody's house. There are many small changes that everyone can make to have a large effect overall and help decrease human impact. It is up to each person to take action. This will require everyone's efforts, not just a small percentage of the population.